Alright guys, I made my shims. All I do is I just cut up a piece of box, like a pop box, you know, like a 12 pack, you know, 24 pack, might be a little thicker, but any of those work. I just cut slims out of them, shims out of them. This is one off of a freaking Myers sandwich, and then just slide them up in there all the way around. Make sure, you know, your former's not touching your pole anywhere, or vice versa, your coil touching the external of your motor. But I just did that, and then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a little bit of signal to it and see if it's actually moving. So stay tuned, be back in 1 sec. Alright, let's see. Alright guys, my coil's still good, so I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get some glue, and then I'll post another video here shortly. Thanks guys. Please like and subscribe.